If you are on a GLP-1 medication like Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, or Zepbound, or if you are just thinking about starting one, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Bazgha Khalid, and I am an internal medicine and obesity medicine specialist. And I prescribe GLP-1 medications all the time in my clinical practice to manage type 2 diabetes and for chronic weight management. Today, I'll talk about the 10 best foods to eat while on GLP-1 medications. Foods that not only support your weight loss, but also nourish your gut, protect your muscles, and improve your long-term health. I'll talk about what GLP-1 and GIP medications actually do, why your food choices matter more than ever on these medications, 10 best foods to eat on GLP-1 medications, when to avoid GLP-1 medications, myths versus facts, and questions to ask your doctor, and some powerful but simple meal examples you can start today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat on GLP-1 medications and, more importantly, why you should be eating these foods, backed by science, not trends. So what are GLP-1 and GIP medications? GLP-1 medications, short for glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor agonist medications like semaglutide with brand names Ozempic and Wegovy, mimic a natural hormone in your body that helps regulate blood sugar, slows digestion, and signals fullness to your brain. Some newer medications like tirzepatide with brand name Zepbound or Mounjaro work on two hormones to boost your body's ability to handle sugar and fat metabolism. These two hormones are GLP-1, which is short form for glucagon-like peptide 1, and GIP, which is short form for glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide. In short, GLP-1 helps you eat less, GIP helps your body use energy more efficiently. These medications have been shown in major clinical studies like STEP 1 trial published in New England Journal of Medicine in 2021 to cause 15% or more body weight reduction. But remember, GLP-1 medications work best when paired with nutrient-dense foods that preserve your muscle, protect your metabolism, and prevent common side effects like nausea or fatigue. So what are 10 best foods to eat while on GLP-1 medications? Number 1, protein, like chicken, fish, beef, Greek yogurt, tofu, eggs. Protein is your best friend while on GLP-1 medications. These medications reduce appetite, and if you are not careful, you may eat too little protein, leading to muscle loss. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of goal body weight daily. So if your goal body weight is 150 pounds, you should be eating 150 grams of protein daily. Studies like the Journal of Nutrition in 2020 shows that higher protein diets help preserve lean muscle during calorie restriction. Examples of some meals can be grilled chicken with vegetables, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, scrambled eggs with spinach, beef and vegetable stir fry. Spread protein throughout the day. Your body uses it better that way. Number 2, oily fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel. Fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, which reduce inflammation and support heart health. A 2019 study in Nutrients found that omega-3 may improve insulin sensitivity, which is key for metabolic health. Try 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish weekly, grilled or baked. If you don't like fish, algae-based omega-3 supplements work great. Number 3, fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli, spinach, kale, cauliflower, zucchini. GLP-1 medications slow your digestion, so fiber helps keep your gut moving and balances your blood sugar. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily. Fiber also supports your gut microbiome, which can enhance GLP-1 production naturally. You can steam, roast, or stir fry your vegetables with olive oil. Simple and satisfying. Number 4, fermented foods like Greek yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. GLP-1 medications can change how your gut feels. Fermented foods replenish good bacteria and reduce bloating. Study in Frontiers in Nutrition 2020 found that probiotics can improve GLP-1 secretion and gut-brain communication. Try adding a few spoonfuls of kefir or sauerkraut daily. A little goes a long way. Number 5, healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds. Healthy fats help you feel full longer and stabilize your hormones. Avocados, almonds, and olive oil are full of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. A PREDIMED study in New England Journal of Medicine in 2013 showed that Mediterranean diet rich in these fats reduces cardiovascular risk by 30%. Just remember, a small handful of nuts or 1 tablespoon of olive oil per meal is plenty. Number 6, lentils and beans. These are high in plant-based protein and fiber. They also have low glycemic index, which keeps your blood sugar stable, ideal for GLP-1 medication users. One study in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published in 2012 found that legumes improve weight control and reduce LDL cholesterol. You can use beans and lentils in soups, stews, or salads. They are inexpensive and filling. Number 7, berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Unlike many fruits, berries are lower in sugar but packed with antioxidants and polyphenols. These protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, both linked to obesity and metabolic disease. Harvard School of Public Health found that higher berry intake was associated with better long-term weight maintenance. You can add them to Greek yogurt or smoothies. No guilt and very satisfying. Number 8, cottage cheese and skyr. These are excellent for high protein, low carbohydrate snacks. They contain casein protein, which digests slowly, helping you stay full. Choose low sodium, plain versions of cottage cheese and skyr and add cinnamon or berries for flavor. Number 9, eggs. Eggs are nutrient powerhouses, rich in protein, B vitamins, and choline for liver and brain health. In a Nutrition Research 2018 study, participants who ate eggs for breakfast lost more weight than those who had bagels because eggs improve satiety and reduce calorie intake later in the day. You can have your eggs in omelets or boiled or scrambled. This is such a versatile food that can be cooked in so many ways, all packed with nutrition. Number 10, hydrating foods like cucumber soups, herbal teas. GLP-1 medications can cause nausea and dehydration, so hydration is essential. Water is your best fluid for hydration. However, adding water-rich foods keeps you hydrated naturally and supports your digestion. Soups with vegetables, broth, or herbal teas like ginger or peppermint can ease stomach discomfort too. Let's talk about myths versus facts. Myth is you can eat whatever you want on GLP-1 medications and still lose weight. The fact is GLP-1 medications help you eat less, but quality matters for metabolism and muscle health. Another myth is carbohydrates are bad. Fact is, smart carbohydrates like lentils, oats, and fruits provide fiber and nutrients. Another myth is protein will bulk you up. Fact is, protein preserves lean muscle, it doesn't make you bulky. Another myth is fat-free diets are healthier. Fact is, your body needs healthy fats for hormones and satiety. Let's talk about when to be careful or avoid GLP-1 medications. Avoid or discuss with your doctor if you have personal or family history of MEN2. This is a cluster of tumors involving thyroid, parathyroid, and adrenals, or medullary thyroid cancer. Also avoid GLP-1 medications if you have history of severe gastroparesis or stomach paralysis, or history of pancreatitis or pancreatic inflammation or gallbladder disease, or if you're pregnant or planning to get pregnant. Questions to ask your doctor. What's my protein and calorie goal while on GLP-1 medications? How often should I check labs like hemoglobin A1C, lipid panel, or vitamin levels? Can I combine intermittent fasting or exercise with GLP-1 medication safely? What should I do if I experience nausea or constipation? How long should I stay on these medications for sustainable results? You can find discussion on most of these topics under my GLP-1 weight loss guide playlist. So let me summarize. GLP-1 medications are powerful tools, but they work best when your nutrition works with them. Focus on real, high protein, fiber rich foods that nourish your body and preserve muscle. Stay hydrated, eat mindfully, and remember, these aren't quick fixes. These are tools for transformation. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I make weekly videos simplifying science-backed weight loss and wellness. And if you are on GLP-1 medication, comment below what's your go-to meal or biggest challenge. Let's learn together. Stay healthy, happy, and well. Bye for now.